This is the metric conversion class activity. The purpose of this activity is to practice converting within the metric system. So you can see that there are some references. I will put this video up here, but also there is one just about the metric system and converting within the metric system. So the first part is the metric conversion chart. So you're going to make this. You can see here in the center, we have the basic unit. We're going to be making a larger unit going this way. Whenever you type in, whatever you type in, it'll turn green. You'll get the points once it's all done. So I'm just going to do this top one up here, right? So this is kilo. Right? And notice that it turns green, and this would be 1,000 of those base units. So you're going to go ahead and fill this. This is also in that video that I posted, so you can get those answers there. And there's a little hint here. The next part is actually using this to convert within the metric system. So I'll just do the first one, convert 2,000 milligrams to grams. So 2,000 milligrams, if you come up here, actually, you know what? I'll do the second one because we can actually use what we have up here, right? I'll do number 3, convert 104 kilometers to meters. So you can see here I have kilometers to convert to a smaller unit, right? We need to move right. So I've got kilo. I need to get to the basic unit. So I need to move that decimal starting with the kilo 1, 2, 3 spots to get to meters. So I start with the decimal 104 and I move it 3 spots. So it would be 104, and then I move the decimal to the right 1, 2, 3 spots. And it's asking me to convert to meters. So notice, well, once I get the value and the unit correct, it will turn green and you'll start to get points. All right, moving down to the next part is conversion. So for each question, there are 2 measurements. Compare the first measurement to the second one. The squares won't turn green and points won't be awarded until the entire row is correct. So this one, it's not going to give you that instant feedback, but like, let's just say, how does 56 centimeters compare to 6 meters? So 56 centimeters is a lot smaller than 6 meters. So it's going to be less than. Now notice it didn't turn green. It's because I would have to get this entire row correct in order for it to turn green and get those points. And here's a hint, right? So some of these you might be able to just look at and say, well, that's obvious. But for others, right, in order to answer these questions, you will need to convert the measurements to the same unit. This will allow you to compare the values easily. To convert the metric system, use that chart. So the whole key is make sure you finish this one up here, right? Finish this up here, and you'll be able to finish the rest of this with ease. So once again, this is that class activity on metric conversion.